Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block unwanted spam, scam, and robocalls on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So while it's not necessarily going to block all of these potential calls, it should put a pretty big dent in a lot of these unsolicited phone calls you are receiving on your device. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the phone app. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and select that and then select the settings button. Now underneath assistive, select caller ID and spam. And where it says filter spam calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Click inside this oval one time and toggle it to the right, meaning spam call filtering has been enabled. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.